Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. And today we've got a really interesting deep dive for you.
We really do. But real quick, before we get into the details, just a heads up that the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description.
Exactly. And, if you like what we do, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out.
For sure. So jumping right in, today we are looking at the ZEVO 2 flying insect trap.
Yeah, the starter kit is like $37.47, and we've combed through over 33,000 Amazon reviews for this thing.
Which is a massive amount of data. And our mission today is basically to figure out if this plug-in device is the ultimate bug solution, or if it's, just a really overpriced blue nightlight.
Right. And to do that, we kind of have to unpack the design strategy first, because it's practically a fatal neon nightclub for bugs.
A bug nightclub. I like that. Yeah. I mean, it literally plugs into any standard outlet and just emits this continuous blue and UV light.
And bugs love that, right?
Oh, absolutely. Many flying insects actually navigate using celestial reference points like the moon or stars. So the ZEVO acts like this incredibly bright, false lighthouse.
Oh, wow. So it tricks them.
Exactly. The UV light totally overwhelms their optical sensors, completely scrambles their internal GPS, and just spirals them right toward the device.
Right into the VIP section. And instead of a loud, aggressive zapper, that annoying cracking sound, it uses this powerful adhesive cartridge.
Yeah, they hit the dance floor and get permanently stuck.
But I think the real genius of this, the reason it's so popular, is that the sticky pad actually faces the wall.
Yes, that is such a crucial detail.
Right. Because nobody wants to stare at a graveyard of dead mosquitoes while they're brushing their teeth in the morning.
Definitely. And from a psychological standpoint, that is a huge appeal for the user. I mean, ZEVO completely eliminates the gross out factor of that traditional hanging flypaper.
Ugh, yeah, that stuff is awful.
It really is. They've essentially upgraded pest control into something that's, aesthetically tolerable for a modern kitchen or bathroom.
But, a sleek design only matters if the nightclub actually draws a crowd, right?
Fair point. So what do those 33,000 reviews actually say about its real-world performance?
Well, the general consensus is strong. It's got a 4.4-star rating. You have users like Mark V, who reported massive success catching 11 flies just overnight.
That's pretty impressive.
It is. But when you dig deeper into the reviews, there's this very clear divide based on the type of bug.
Oh, really? How so?
So it's devastatingly effective against gnats, mosquitoes, and fruit flies. But larger houseflies, they seem to completely ignore it.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, and it makes you wonder, why would a housefly resist this irresistible false lighthouse?
Well, it actually comes down to different biological triggers. Gnats and fruit flies are highly phototactic.
Meaning they follow the light.
Exactly. They are intensely drawn to it. But larger houseflies, they rely much more on olfactory cues.
Like their sense of smell.
Right. They use smell to find food and garbage. So a bright blue UV light just doesn't really register as a priority for them.
That makes a lot of sense. And speaking of that bright blue light, there's a big human drawback mentioned in the reviews too. Dozens of users warned that the glow is just piercingly bright.
Oh, like too bright for a bedroom.
Way too bright. If you value your sleep at all, you probably don't want this near your bed. But honestly, the real sticking point for me, and I have to push back on some of the positive hype here, is the cost structure.
The price of the device itself.
Well, the $37 starter kit is fine, but aren't they just locking you into the classic printering business model?
Oh, that is a really good point.
Right. You buy the base unit, but then you're completely financially trapped buying these expensive proprietary sticky refills.
Yeah, that's incredibly valid. In fact, the high cost of those replacement cartridges is a major recurring complaint across the reviews.
I mean, I'm not surprised.
But you are paying a premium for sanitation. I mean, the sheer convenience of just sliding out a cartridge and tossing it without ever touching a dead bug is a huge selling point. It's completely mess-free.
Sure, but the ongoing cost is basically a pest control subscription service. You really have to decide if that sanitary, out-of-sight convenience outweighs the price of those refills.
Yeah, it's definitely a trade-off.
It really leaves you wondering, maybe our modern tolerance for pests isn't really about eliminating them at all. Maybe it's just about how elegantly a product can hide the evidence from our sight.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Exactly. Well, you've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel. where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.